We are go to Germany. Germany is life. No Poland. Everyone here. Children, baby, women. Everyone here.
These are the frightening scenes from the Poland-Belarus border. Over 1,000 migrants have gathered at the Belarus border to enter Poland. Trying to escape terrible conditions, they have no place to go and are shivering in the cold. Belarusian authorities escorted thousands of migrants to the border. Violent clashes erupted between the Polish police in riot gear and the migrants pushing through the fence. Belarus is being blamed for setting off the migrant crisis by EU member states and Western nations. It enabled people to enter Minsk from the Middle East and Africa, giving them direct access to the EU. Polish authorities imposed a state of emergency, preventing any form of aid to the migrants trapped across the border region. The Polish police are entitled to ignore asylum requests and instantly expel the migrants back into Belarus. Around 309 illegal attempts have been reported by the Polish border guard. 17 people violating border frontiers were detained, majorly consisting of Iraqis. An 80-year-old Warsaw resistance fighter sympathized with the migrants.
Ze względu na to, gdzie się urodzą, one są wszystkie nasze, bo my jesteśmy ludźmi. O to, że ludność cywilna Warszawy zobaczyła, że jesteśmy my, jej dzieci, że one były najbardziej psychicznie też zmiażdżone tym, co się działo. Po prostu ten patriotyzm, jaki ci narodowcy prezentują, nie jest żadnym patriotyzmem, bo patriota to ten, kto rozumie, co jest dobrem dla jego kraju.
Poland, alongside EU member states, hold Belarus responsible for encouraging migrants to illegally cross the border into the EU's domain. These migrants are primarily from the Middle East, Afghanistan and Africa. Minsk is being accused of seeking revenge for sanctions against human rights abuses. Polish Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki has accused Russian President Vladimir Putin of navigating a wave of migrants into Poland to destabilize the European Union. Meanwhile, Russia has stood strong with its ally, as it said it is analyzing the situation closely. Russia called Poland's handling of the border conflict responsible. Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko wants to avoid military escalation that could get Russia involved. But the blame game has just started. The European Commission has accused the Belarusian government of tricking migrants and refugees with false promises of easy access to the EU.